So AI has just been like taking over the world recently. Everyone's talking about it. There's just so many new chatbots. Even I talked about how like DeepSeek, a company from China, made one, and like a lot of people have already started using it. Well, what if I tell you Claude, an AI company released by Anthropic, is making another AI agent, but it's not actually a chatbot. It's kind of like a coworker, and it can work alongside with you and just like do stuff for you, do stuff with you, not just answer questions. Well, I feel like this is a very interesting topic. I'm gonna get right to it since it's very useful, very interesting, and just overall an amazing idea, which is perfectly executed by Claude. So let's dive into this video and get started right away. So Claude CoWork is just a brand new AI agent from Anthropic, and its main task is just to like do other tasks for you. You can obviously make it answer questions and stuff like that, but it goes beyond like ChatGPT and Gemini, and you can like input tasks, input work to do, and it can do that for you. I bet a lot of you remember Claude Code, which already a lot of developers used, a lot of developers like it, and it's built off like the same base, but it's adding more onto it and just doing more tasks and making it more easier to use. So even non-developers can also benefit from this and use it. So on to why Claude CoWork is such a big deal. People are talking about how like other companies have something similar to this. There's also another AI agent that can do stuff like this, which I will talk about in another video, maybe next video. But let's just jump into why it's so important, why this is useful, what can it do for you. Obviously, like a normal AI LLM, it can just talk with you, help you like answer questions, do Q&A stuff, but this isn't like just a question answer. It can help you with real stuff. It can help you do stuff, and it can literally do some stuff for you. So obviously, AI already speeds up tasks and stuff. You can ask it questions, so you don't have to like spend hours researching, but this can speed up even further. For example, if you need research for a presentation, this can go into Google Slides and make the whole presentation for you, and it can do long workflows. Just give it a huge like prompt, give it a long workflow, and it'll do it for you. And you can just let it run there, go to your own stuff for a few hours, and come back, and it'll be done. You're not sitting there waiting for it just like finish. And what Claude can actually do, it can do a lot of stuff, sort through your files and just like check for unneeded stuff and sort through stuff. Just put all like the downloads in one file, photos in another file. Just organize your entire files, create documents, organize documents, just like update them, redo them, do whatever you want with them. And it can also do what everyone hates, just doing so much bulk work, doing the same task over and over. It can do that, but quicker. And lastly, it can just go through like huge piles of data, just heave through it, organize it, just make a summary from it, and it can just provide like a whole summary and presentation based on that data. So who should care about Claude CoWork? Well, before, like in Claude Code, obviously developers cared a lot about it. It's very helpful for writing code. But this time, a lot of people across of like all workforces can use this and should care about this. A lot of entrepreneurs and just business owners can help make like logos, presentations, business models with this. Even students and stuff, they can help study with it. It can organize their files, all their documents, their assignments, do all of that. And so can elderly. They can help like for entertainment, do anything else for them, or just help organize their computer. And just everyday people who need help with simple tasks in their work and they don't want to spend the time to like do all of those, they can also use it. So there's endless possibilities. This can be used with anyone, and that's why it's so important. Anyone can like be helped from this, and they can get help from work, from anything, just organization, endless possibilities. But there are some limitations. Like right now, Claude CoWork is just like in the developing phase, and obviously any like file data you give it, any data you give it, you should be very careful, and it does ask for permission. And it's only a Mac and Windows tool right now, so you cannot use it for like iPad or phone or just mobile. You have to be using Mac or Windows. And then again, it's very hard to install. You need a lot of like processes and just a lot of clicking there, clicking here, installing this, installing that. Long process to install this and to get it to work. But back to the good stuff, Claude CoWork isn't just another AI you could talk to, have fun with, or just ask for help. You can get help from it, and it can actually help you a lot more than any other chat bot can give you. Help you with organization, making presentations, deleting presentations, organizing them, just changing your entire computer, organizing it, and do such more with it. So in conclusion, amazing AI bot. There's also another Claude bot that's coming out, not by Anthropic, but I think it's a different company. Amazing thing, just like this, and it can help you do maybe even more stuff with it. So I'm excited for that video. Might come out next week, and stay tuned. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you next one. Bye for now. YouTube Pro out.